Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about a business funding option. If you are currently in business and you're making good money and you're going through a real big growth spurt and you're seeing that you're going to need to get employees, put more money into marketing, buy some equipment, and you're not sure of how you're going to get the funds to cover this expansion that you're going to need to be going through soon, or if you just want some extra capital to be sitting there just to make sure that you have funds while you're going through this growth spurt, then this can be a good business funding option for you because they have absolutely no credit checks, so you don't have to worry about it damaging your personal credit, and you don't even have to have good personal credit to get this. They have funding options as soon as the same day. It doesn't matter if you need 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, 500,000. They have funding options all the way up to 5 million. So they're definitely going to have something to cover how much you need. Pretty much all of their options are going to be no personal guarantee, and it won't show up on your personal credit report at all. So this is by far a very, very good funding option for your business. And we're going to be talking more about that coming up. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you don't want your credit score to drop 180 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop, just like this one. Now, as mentioned, we're going to be talking about National Business Capital, which is a business funding option where they have several different lenders that they work with, and they will actually connect you with one of those lenders. As you can see here, they have 75 plus lender marketplace, so they have several options to try to get you funded. I've sent over several of my customers to them and other people as well, and they've gotten quite a few people funded quickly, very quickly, with very little hassle, very little paperwork. So I've seen this to work, and it's a very good option if you need funds for your business. I do have the application for them down below, so if you click the link and fill out the application, it's really quick, and one of the representatives that I work with over there will reach out to you and walk you through all of the steps, and he will make it very easy for you to get through the process and get your funds. Now we're going to go ahead and look at some more information on them just so that you can get a feel for what it is that you are getting here and how the process works. As you can see, fast, simple, and easy small business loans to take you to the next level. Whether your small business is growing or facing a challenge, you need cash to cover the expenses. Finding the best small business loan gives you the resources you need to pursue opportunities to solve those problems. So you can see that they are geared for helping several different situations, but here we're talking about if you're trying to grow as a business, or if your business is growing and you need some extra capital to help facilitate that growth that you're currently going through. Now, as you can see, grow your business, have extra cash on hand, buy equipment, cover expenses, buy inventory, just weather, slump seasons where you may not usually get as much business as you're used to getting. And again, just a little bit more detail on how the process works. So the very first step that they have is that you're going to apply, fill out a 60-second application. Really doesn't take any time at all. And then after you complete the application, you'll connect your bank account. They'll review your statements, and they'll get a feel for your cash flow that's coming through your business, because that's going to be a major part in you getting your approval and what you're approved for. And then they'll do the review. They'll consider multiple loan options available within their marketplace. They'll let you know what your options are, and all this information will be shared with you by your business financing advisor, which is who will reach out to you after you fill out that form, and then you get funded. Select the best option available and get funded in as little as a few hours, so you can get your money just that quickly. Start using your cash to grow your business right away without restrictions on how you use the funds. So again, they're not gonna monitor you or check you on how you're using the funds. It's all up. They give you the money, and then it's up to you to use it how you see fit to help grow your business. So what do you need to have to be eligible? As I said, if you're in business for a while and your business is growing, then you're going to be the person that's going to be more qualified for this. But to give you some more specifics, being in business for at least 6 months, and it's probably better for you to be in business for a year before trying to apply for this. But if you have been in business for around 6 months or a little bit more than that, then it's probably going to be best that you have more than the minimum required revenue, which is about $10,000 a month or 120 annually. So if you are in that range and you have about a year in business, then you're probably going to be looking a little bit better for these loan options. And again, if you have less than a year in business, then you might want to have a good bit more revenue than this when you're trying to apply for the loan. But again, no minimum credit score, no credit check on your personal credit. Also, your business credit doesn't play a strong part in this either. It's really mostly about at least how long you've been in business and how much cash flow you have coming in to get you secured for these options, which again have no personal guarantee, and it won't show up on your personal credit report, which is always going to be the type of loan or lending options that you're going to want for your business. Now, just to give you some details on how the application process compares to other lenders that you might deal with, you can see here paperwork at most banks is going to be 2 to 3 years tax returns or financials. With some direct lenders, it might be 3 to 6 months of bank statements, a year of tax returns, a year of financials. But with National, it's just 3 months of bank statements. That's all they really need to see. No tax returns required at all. Applications can usually be lengthy at a bank, multi-page at direct lenders. They just have a 1-page, 1-minute application and a DocuSign, and then that's it. Number of lenders that most of these are going to have, because they're either a direct lender themselves or the bank is lending you the money themselves, it's of course going to be one. They have 75 different options. So this is going to be comparable to if you want to get something to eat. You're only going to, let's say, McDonald's, and you can only get what McDonald's has to offer you, versus going to the mall where they have several different options on food that you can choose from. Now, as far as how long it takes to actually get your approval, with banks, it can take weeks, months. At some direct lenders, it can be days or weeks. Now with National, it can be hours or days to get your approval. So the wait time is really cut down tremendously with their process that they have set up. And as far as the speed of funding, how fast you get your money is going to be about the same. About a month with a bank. Direct lenders can be days or weeks. But National, they can get you funded in as little as a few hours. So you can really get your money a lot faster going through them. And that's really the most important things, other than business profitability, which is something that a bank is going to want you to see. They're going to want to see that you have been profitable for at least 2 years most of the time. With direct lenders, sometimes they do require you to be profitable, but it's not necessary for your business to show a profit on a consistent period of time or anything like that with National. That is very important, because a lot of businesses do show a negative or break even result at the end of the year when they do their taxes. So because of that, this is a good way to still get funded, even if you are coming up in that situation when you're doing your taxes. Credit score, usually you have to have pretty decent credit or really good credit to get it from a bank. And from direct lenders, not so much so, but you do still have to have at least something fair. But with National, you don't have to worry about the credit score at all. There is no minimal FICO score that they're looking for as far as your personal credit goes, and they're not looking for anything specific on your business credit either. Now, as far as a credit check, like if they're actually going to pull your credit at all, you will see a hard pull with a bank. You will see a hard pull with direct lenders. With National, it's only going to be a soft pull, which means it's something that's not going to affect your credit score at all. But again, don't forget there is no minimum FICO requirement, so that isn't going to be a determining factor in you getting approved or not. So really, that's all there is to National Business Capital. Again, as I mentioned, they have some really good features to how they are able to quickly deliver the money to you and deliver a quick approval to you. They won't affect your credit at all when you're trying to apply, and it also won't hurt your credit as far as a loan of a large amount being added to your credit report and messing up your personal finances or your chances of a personal approval for other, personal reasons, just because you have a business loan or business line of credit showing up on your credit report. So you don't have to worry about that or a personal guarantee. And you can get various different funding options as far as amounts go. The only thing you have to do is just be in business for at least 6 months and have at least $10,000 a month in revenue. And then you can qualify for something like this. And also, I know some of you may be thinking that, well, if I was making $10,000 a month, I wouldn't really need a loan. But when you get to that point in business and you can see some of the things that you may need to do to expand, and you may know the money is coming in, but you just need to have a set amount to come in right now versus waiting for the money to come in to do some of the things that you need to do in your business, then you would, understand why you might need to get a loan at that type of income level or revenue level coming in. But at the end of the day, this is a great option. They have great customer service. And like I said, just fill out the application down below in the description. A representative will reach out to you and they will walk you through the steps, get all the information that they need from you, and they will present you your options, let you choose, and get you funded. So if you have any questions or anything like that, if you're a person that has actually used National Business Capital before, please talk about your experience down in the comments. experience. And I hope that you guys see the value in this. And if you did like this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications, and share this with anybody that you know may need this information. I thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.